Welcome everyone, we are live. As you can see here, the pie for all the stocks, we can see a lot of green going on before the market close. Tesla is up 45%, Amazon 1%, Microsoft, Apple, all the sectors is in green. So let's go right and see. Right now, Camber Energy CEI is the second. We have IRNT is jumping 249 steps and almost the third right now, and this is one of the most short squeeze stock on Reddit right now after BBIG. So let's see IRNT first, then we go the other. Of course, Dogecoin is got rejected around our resistance 0.1275. As we said it here on our TradingView community, and we predicted the price in the morning when we said we're gonna see from this triangle and rejected around this level, and we talked about it even on here on our Patreon. And as well, we're gonna talk about Square, because Square went to our bottom, which is the $82. It was a nice hunt for our hunters here on the pre-market. On the 17th of February, we talked about it. We said that BBIG or Square will go down around the 116. From there, then the price will go around the 83. This was around the 17th of February, and the price actually went there as we predicted in pre-market when we were around the 109. So this was a really nice hunt. So we talked about even BBIG here and a lot of stocks. So let's go back and see IRNT. Then take your question and request for your requested stock. So we jumped 30%, you see? For this one is looking really nice. We hold the $4.81, and the price is continue to go up from there, you see? Nice jump up. So for this one, we expect the price to continue up at least around the $8.35 for the next week. This is a good jump up. If we held this next support, right now we have a support. We tested it right now. We have a green candle above the $6.38. This is our support. And this is taking profit, the $8.35. Hi brother, how you doing? Hi Goku. How are you doing, Goku? What's your what did you hunt today? Yeah, CEI is acting like crazy today. We predicted the price that will go a bit down for CEI, and that was expected. And what we said for CEI, we're gonna see a buying pressure here around the 0.66. I think we talk about it here around our Patreon. We said that we did even alert for the price, I think, for CEI, I think AMC, yeah. AMC went to our support. You see, we said support above the $15, and we bounced from it for AMC. It was nice hunt for AMC, and yeah, CEI. You see, we said it. We said it here. We said the 0.66 is the support. We need to hold it and test for the 0.84. This is before even the jump. So we tested, we went back. This was 24th of February. And you see, the price went back as we said it to test the support, which is around the 0.66. Right now we hold it above it. And the next time that we overcome this resistance, will be a turning point. above the 0.73. Because if we didn't overcome this level, will be the idea. The price will actually continue to go down here and go here, 0.54. If we never overcome the 0.73, this is a turning point actually. This is a turning point for CEI to test the 0.73 and close above it to see the $1. Otherwise, we continue to go down and confirming that the bearish momentum in control. Mervet, salamu alaikum. Alaikum assalam, Mervet. I don't know, Mervet. There's some member. I got some comments on YouTube, and there's some woman. She writes in Arabic English. Since really, I don't understand how people write Arabic but in English word. This is kind of confusing to me. I told her like just translate it to me, and she talk about cheaper price, and I don't know, she arguing, and I don't understand her. Yeah, GSAT bumped up nicely today. Of course, Mervet, CENN, we're gonna cover it. Hi, Ismail. Hi, Ali. How you doing? Nice, nice, Ali. You bought the dip for CI, as we suspected to be. Okay, let's see GSAT, because we see that the price actually went up. Let's see it. Yeah, 2% right now, and let me just see the big picture for it. Yeah, it looked nice. It looked really nice right now. We have this conjunction area. You see, this is the breakout actually. This is the breakout. We have a conjunction area in this box. And let me just... Okay. So right now we just have a test around this exponential average. You see, this is a turning point right now. This is a turning point to hold this, to confirm this breakout. So what we want to see to have a confirmation for change the downtrend. You see, we have kind of downtrend here. And we actually break from this down, broke from uptrend around the last year in November. And right now we gaining ground and trying to overcome this resistance. Yes, right now we testing the resistance actually. You see, we testing the resistance. We have a wick and closing below. So what we need right now, closing above here, will be really strong. Around the $1.25 will be really strong. In order to see the next time at least the $1.57 for the next week. And this movement, I think it was for the earning and the revenue, it was a positive compared to last time we have negative earnings, you know. So yeah, this one is kind of fundamental wise. The price is kind of started to reverse. So yeah, the $1.21, we need to clear it here, closing above and confirm this bullish momentum. Let me just see the other question, CENN. Yeah, this one went to all-time low. So right now, as we said it, for CENN, we're gonna go to the $1 and see the buying pressure. That's what happened precisely as we said. The price went up 36%. So yeah, it went up from yesterday and the price is jumped because this is price value for CENN, the $1.04. So we expect at least a test for this resistance around the $1.88. And this will be starting to have a turning point. So if we clear the $1.88, this will be a good sign, okay? Right now it's still bearish. It's still bearish, even if we go 50% up still. We need to close above the $1.88 in order to go to the $3 next time. So $1.88 next time, support $1.04. I think by far Arabic beside Chinese is the hardest language to learn. And the funny part is, Mervit, the idea is like speaking Arabic scientifically wise for me is pretty hard because everything I learned, even in college and in my school and even work, I always use English. So if I change to Arabic, it will be pretty hard. Hi Louise, hi my brother, how you doing? How's trading? How's hunting today? Yes, let's hunt crypto. Crypto never sleep. Yes, Louise, as we said it in the pre-market, it was a nice dip around the 84. We talked about like around the 17th of February. Hopefully you bought the dip around this level. Yesterday it was a nice dip. Yes. Yes, so it was a nice trade for Square actually. It was nice trade for us because we talked about it here around the 82. It was back then around the 17th of February actually, yeah. 17th of February, it was a really nice trade for Square actually here. You remember we talked about here around the 17th of February, we talked about Square, Caval, BBIG, mrin, and yeah, BBIG Square was really nice because we said 116 will be kind of rejection area because we didn't overcome this ascending line. You see, this was a clear trade for us and the price hit the rejection area. We never closed above the 116. We didn't hold the 100. Of course, the bottom will be the 84. So yeah, it was a really nice trade for this one for Square. That's why we say, let the price come to you, never run at the price. This was a really good example. So yeah, we have IRNT, it's exploding as well. BBIG holding the support. Let me just check BBIG. Yeah, still holding the $2.63. This is kind of the support right now to confirm if we don't going back around the $2.18. Okay, let's see. This one is still bumping. Yeah, AMC, it was as well a good trade because we held the 15. Because if we go in the big picture, we're still holding this ascending line. And as we said, as long as we hold this ascending line, is pretty good for us for a bullish momentum. Otherwise, the 12.24 will be our target to hunt for AMC. Let me just yeah, HUT still have a bit of struggle to go up because we got rejected around the 8. DWAC, as we said, the 78 is the support, and the turning point should be the 90. And if we go in a growth stock, we have AMD jumped from the bottom that we talked about around the 100. We have kind of a mini test around the 100. So last time we went until the 105, the price bought pretty soon. However, right now for AMD, we have a test around the 124. This will be a turning point. Square, we have the 121. This will be the turning point. Nvidia right now is got rejected around our resistance, the 240. Spotify is kind of around the bottom, which is the 136. Nice. We have the turning point around the 155. What else we have? PayPal is a big dip, if you want to ask me. Look at how crazy this dip, like almost 70%. So right now we actually going back to the bottom that we visited last time we dipped on 2001 when the COVID hit. So this is kind of a turning point. We went below the 100. So for PayPal is a bit risky. If we go above the 121 will be a bit kind of good trade to reverse. Okay, what we have here. Nvidia cyber attack. Yes. Good question for Mervit for GME. Let me just check GME pretty quick, because it's been a while last time we checked GME actually. So if we just check GME, yes, GME is we went below the 100, around the 88. We visited our support actually. Wait a second. Okay, so yeah, this one is 85. So yeah, we have kind of a trend reversal the moment that we broke the 165 around the December. This was a turning point actually here. So right now we visited really nice support. So this should be actually the support that we should hold pretty good, because this is if we don't hold it. As for AMC, what we should expect, the price could actually go below this level around the 45. This will be a crazy dip. Maybe actually below around the 62 before. So right now this should be the dip that we were waiting for BBIM for GME. And if we hold the 85, the turning point for GME to go higher is here, the 131. We already tested right now, so just wait for this. any price close above the 133, this is would be again turning point to test the price again around this level. We're gonna go at least, let me just check, we're gonna see at least 20% up. Around the next level of resistance will be around, give or take, around the 160. So right now we tested twice the 130, we got sold off, and the best way is to wait right now until we close above here to take a trade until the 160. Otherwise the price will continue to go down, gravitate in this above the 100 maybe, because the 100 is a psychological level right now, and above the 100 until we see a buying pressure, then we break the 131. CEI is bombing. Yeah, it's always like this. CEI is like going down and the market open, then it's bombing when the market closed. Let me just check CEI. No, still not bombing, still the same price as before. Let me just check. Yeah, it's starting to test the resistance actually. Yeah, around the 0.69. Yeah, this is kind of the turning point. The 0.6970 here will be the turning point for CEI. Yeah, this will be a turning point. Square still have a conjunction area and ready to pop actually around the 121. This will be a turning point for Square. Let's check the crypto. So for crypto right now, Shiba is holding this exponential average. Going back around the 0.23 is the turning point actually. We talked about this level in the pre-market. We bought back perfectly in the pre-market actually, because we talked about this level, the 0.4023. Right now we see a bit of resistance here. This will be a turning point. The 0.4025 will be the turning point to see another bump for Shiba price to go from the 25 until the 27. So another 8% will be done if we just clear the 25.36. Otherwise, we're gonna see a massive selling pressure again if we broke this level. Just be careful from the 23 for Shiba. Dogecoin as well is a pretty straightforward analysis. The 0.12 is the support, resistant clear around the 0.1270. Yeah, and the breaking point will be here, the 0.1275 is clear. This level will be tested pretty soon if we want to break this ascending line. As you can see here, it's clear that Dogecoin is testing this level so many times and get rejected. You see how many times we get rejected. So if we just open short anytime we test this level, we have 8% here, we have here 8%, and we have here 4%, and here we have 11%. Then the big dip after we tested again, we have 18%. So this is kind of a good strategy to short every time we test this ascending line. Every time we test rejected, 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 and this time we got rejected a bit when we got in midway. Bitcoin is testing the 39,748. This is the resistance for Bitcoin. I already put notification for all of them, you know. And let me just check. Yes. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, we have some turning point for CEI right now. No, it's the same. Okay, let me just check our profile. Okay, so yeah, we did Dogecoin here and Shiba price as well. Yes, it was perfect trade for this one, and let me just check. Most likely to dip. Let me just reply it. Okay, so let me just check again. So a lot of people think that Shiba price will dip again because we have a test and no clear to resistance. You see, so Shiba price is kind of, it's kind of tested before around at the beginning of the day and yesterday actually, and the price is still holding. So let me just go on the other. We have Apple is bumping up as well right now. No problem, Mervet. So we have a question from Elite. Yes, wow, so since August you've been with it. You won't leave. Nice, Elite, nice. Good question, Michael, for BBIG. We already talked about in the beginning, but we gonna go through it again. Yes, let me just check Gala a bit quick. Where's Gala? Where's Gala? Yes, Gala. Yes, Gala, we have a nice support around the 1932. For Gala, we expect a bit of resistance will happen pretty soon for Gala. It's bumping right now. However, I expect a resistance will be around the 27.36. I think I'm gonna short here. This would be a nice trade here. Yes. I will lose maybe 1.88%, but I gain 7%. So let me open a trade right now for Gala. First, let me just go on Bitget, my account on Bitget, and let me just open a trade right now for Gala before I forget. So where's Gala here? Yes. Voila. Okay. Like French people say, voila. It mean yes, they're right there. So let me just short Gala, and I put the price that I'm gonna short Gala with, and let me just, okay, I will put it around the 27, okay, and the stop loss around the 20, Oh man. Okay, I will put it around the 27.30 and stop loss 28.27. Let's do this right now. I will put short 27.30 short. Okay, open short, and I put this one. I put stop loss to, around the 0.28, the 0.2842. Okay, 42, and profit taken, I will put it just in case. Let me just calculate how much we can actually gain from this trade and calculate the risk to reward ratio. This one will be 7.58 profit. On the loss, maybe, wait a second, if we put it around the 27.30, yeah, 3% loss and 8% gain. So this is good. Let me just put it around this level. Yeah, 24.80. 24.80. Confirm. Voila. Perfect. So for Gala, we open a trade right now for short. We expect the price to get shorted here. This is a resistance right now. The price will go here. Then if we have support around the 24, we might see a jump back up again. So thank you for bringing this up for us for Gala. There's a nice trade. Bitcoin is going down a bit. Let me see if we're gonna short Bitcoin right now. Yeah, 3% potential on the gain, maybe 4%. No, not good trade right now if we short it. Let me check sand. Yeah, sand is hammered actually. It's getting down. It's not like Mana or Gala right now. It's a bit weak because we visited $2.60. I bought the dip 30 minutes ago. Yes, so we have a question. What's your profit taken for BBIG? So the profit taken, this is depends on one thing only. If we hold the $2.63, Michael. So if we hold the $2.63, we might see this reaction and we might take a bit of profit before the $3 this time, maybe around the $2.95 to be safe, or 97, before we continue to test the support. If we don't hold it this time, we're gonna see going back here. So the turning point will be the $3 next time. If we never overcome the $3 again, this means a weakness and the price will continue to go down and never hold the $2.63 again. So the $2.63 will be the support that we should hold to continue to test the $3 and confirm that we're gonna see the price go higher again. No problem, elites. Yeah. So we have someone bought the dip for MULNLN, and let me just check it if you actually bought the dip for it. So 1 hour. Okay, so yeah, for this one is a huge dip. This one is a huge dip. So for this one, if it jump, the price, if it jump around the $1.59, just take your profit, okay? This time, just take your profit, and the next time will be around the $3.79, $1.59. Those two profit taking should be triggered. Okay, if we have news or something drastic happening for the price, those two levels will be tested first. METX. So for METX, yeah, we already tested this level twice. The $2.24. So yeah, the 24 cent, and we have clear support is the 0.15 cent. So yeah, the next time if we have a breakout, this is kind of will be a clear test for our level, because here we already test, so we might see a price test around the 0.42 or the 0.45. Yeah, 44. So this is the price will be tested pretty soon. If we have a big jump, you have to take a profit here. Let me just calculate it how much. Yeah, will be really big, around the 80% or yeah. So before that will might be around this gap will be the 34. So I will just make it two profit taken. Will be really nice. 33 and 44. Just remember this price, two prices, okay? You have to take profit 2 times. If we clear the 0.2443, this will be a breakout. Breakout strategy, what does mean? Is mean the price clear that massive testing resistance area, and the moment that we clear it, we're gonna see a huge momentum shift, and this will drag the price to go higher. Then we're gonna meet two resistance level. The first, the 0.33, then the 0.44. No problemo. Yes, Neo is kind of hitting the all-time bottom. If you want to ask me, we visit last time the support that we said is really nice to buy at for Neo. I'm watching Neo closely. We went. Let me just go to my this one. Yeah. So yeah, for Neo, you see, we went or a second Neo, yeah. So right now we still below the 2140. You see, we got rejected after the best buying pressure. So I will be extra careful right now, because if we don't clear the 2140, you have to buy around the 13. Okay, this is because we already dipped around the 18. The 13 will be the best dip for Neo. I'm just jumping. If something happened for the market and still dipping, the 1367 will be the best juicy price for Neo. Right now we testing just the resistance. The 2140 will be the turning point, because if we close below it and we don't see the jump that we did before here, around the 28th of January, if we don't see the same reaction here, this will confirm the bearish momentum down. Just wait for it, because we're already gapped here. We might actually gapped here again for Neo, because we're still in bearish momentum. Because let me just drag this here. Yes. So this is still in downtrend momentum for Neo. but some more CEI. A lot of people going to buy CEI right now before the market closed. That's why we see CEI is still holding. So yeah, so we have a lot of volatility for CEI right now. This is normal. You see, we talked about the 0.66 and still holding, because Camber Energy is the second. Is the second after IR&T. So let me just check. IR&T is getting a bit of sell-off because testing the 6.38 and the 6.4. Yeah. I'm still having the $6 as monetization target for IR&T because this is an important level. If we close below it, we're gonna see the $5.50. Yes, short Neo. Yes, already have this idea. Look, my stocks. Yeah, I have this one 3 short Neo. So it's and it's kind of 3x leverage of Neo. So if Neo went down 10%, here will go 30% in percentage wise. Wow, Elite, he's just bring us some stock that he said is bumped up for this one. Yes, is kind of crazy, this one. ISPO, 46%. We already covered it before. We said the 58 is the resistance, and right now 53. You see what's happening today? We have 4-hour candle closing twice below. We have a wick here, but the price closed below it. You see this kind of weakness because we close below the 58. The 58 is a turning point right now for this stock. So after this jump, this is a really nice movement, but the better movement if we close right now before the market close above the 58. Otherwise, we're gonna see the price gravitate here. We're gonna see a bit of buying pressure again here. Yeah, above the 44. This would be another support. We'll see what's gonna happen for this one. Yes, I know, Elite. Let me just go on Finviz here and go to screener and go for more shorted stock here, except, okay, let's go. Wow, yes, let me just go on the chart. Yes, we have ISPO, this one the first. This one jumps 51%, and if we go here, we can see they don't have debt and the market cap is 1 billion, and they are actually consumer cycle. If we go in their website, we can actually see what's going on with them. So yeah, for this one, okay, so discover inspiration, the world first luxury travel subscription let you vacation better. So yeah, for this one, okay, this is a pretty expensive Inspired Pass. Exclusive of 90 rate taxes and fees, 2,500 enrollment fee. So if we go on the surface, what they actually do. So yeah, this is kind of membership grants, yeah. So if we go here, yeah, it's still going down a bit. Let me just go on the news for them. We have, yeah, the share were up more than 48% Friday afternoon, trading as almost 2.8 million shares changed hands against daily average of about 300k. So the volume, normal average volume for it was 300k, turning to almost 3 million. So here we have rates help recoup some of the recent losses in the luxury travel company share. So yeah, we have some kind of recovery after the COVID because we have a lot of sector of traveling and airplanes and traveling is hit a lot. Right now we have gaining back this kind of momentum. That's why the price is actually going up from the IPO price around the 12. So right now it's 53. Let me just go back and see the other. We have CRG, and this one jumped 43%. If we go here, this is the most important thing. They don't have debt, and market capitalization almost 3 billion. They have sales almost 1 billion. Income, they have income. So this is good kind of a stock. And we have here, wait a second, let me just go back on the chart. Yeah, the price actually went from the 39 to the 40, and this one actually look pretty nice actually. Internet contact communication services. Okay, so let me just go here and drag it and see the technical for this one. Yes, wow, this one is a pretty good jump. Wow, and you see how crazy the green candle, there is no red candle. This is the easiest trade, you know, you don't feel FOMO at all. You see, like the price, you just buy and you just hold. For this one is easy trade. So let me check if we have the price actually will continue to go maybe for the 55. Yeah, maybe this one will go to the 55 if we just hold above this level of support. Yeah, above the 45. We might see the 55 if we hold this one. We have iron. Let me just go back. Yeah, we have a sell-off right now. We don't hold the support. We expect buying pressure happen around the 55.50. Okay, we have this one 38. Yes, smash the like button on the way in. Don't forget this. Short it is. Okay, let me just check here. Let me check BBIG. This is when yes, this one is looking good. I'm waiting for the price to come here to see a buying pressure. Let's see CENN. CENN is holding and the price above the $1.72. So this is the support if we want to see the price continuation until the $2. DWAC is going back to the 83. Let me see Square. Yes, Square is holding above this level of support 116. We said it before. Yeah, it's good. It's looking good actually. Yeah, it's good breakout for Square. Yes, this box is bought back perfectly. You see how we broke this ascending line with the force. So right now we need to hold above this level in order to see the 150. This will be a really bullish if we go to 150. CEI is still holding above the 0.66. This one is still bumping. GRIN. GFAI is bumping as well. Let me just check GFA. Wow, yeah, this one is crazy. It's 9 million right now. Let me just check. Yeah, this one is pumping really crazy. Wow. Okay, let me just check 5 minutes and 5 minutes and 5 minutes, and just started to bump actually. 64, and we might see a bit of rejection around the 0.73. This is a pretty close rejection, and the next one we might see the $1 for this one. Let me just check here, 6%, and here this is a pretty far. So I think we're gonna see the 0.73 test right now actually. Will be tested right now. Let me just check how much will be. Yeah, another 7% could happen right now. 7%, we can see it right now to be tested. Yeah, this one is good. Okay guys, let me know what you think about the stock that we're gonna cover for the next week. I will upload the video for the stock that have a potential for a hunt for the next week for Monday, and let me know what you the kind of stock you want to see for the next week. So hopefully that was informative for this live streaming. As we said, always live streaming on Friday 8 p.m. Paris time, and let me know if you want the same hours is good for you around the 8 p.m. or we could actually change it, and let me know if you have any question. Hopefully that was informative, and hopefully you have a nice weekend and be prepared for the next week for the Monday hunting. I will do a crypto trade around Sunday, so be prepared for that, and see you in the next update.